Welcome you to Career Relaunch program of Supremacy Network. Hope you all are safe and healthy. This is Sabita Gobu from Kanyakumari. I'm a nursing graduate and I do have 5 years of experience in Apollo Hospitals, Chennai as a ward in charge. Presently, I'm a mother of 4.5 boys and a digital entrepreneur, leading nearly 500 plus members in my team to earn their professional income from home. So this is going to be a short session of 15 minutes. In this, I'm going to tell you why a man or woman can prefer for an online business, what is the golden offer to you by me and by Supremacy Network, who is our partner here, and what are the trainings and support which you will be getting once you start with this business, and what are all the special offers. You are not only going to get limited with income, you will be getting a lot of other benefits also. So I told right, I have a team of nearly 500 plus members. We have students who don't want to trouble their parents for their fees or for their pocket money. We have stay-at-home parent like me. We have working women, almost from all the categories like doctors, engineers, PhDs, architects, lawyers, etc. And some person who is having everything in their life but they miss some part of it. I have certain peoples like those category in my team also. Being a lady, being a woman, we used to take care of everyone in our family, but we used to miss identity and recognition in our day-to-day life. As a nurse, I really miss that, but this opportunity got me everything. So if you are doing your own business online, you can be your own boss. There is no need of you to responsible or accountable for anyone. Of course, you will be responsible for your own business. If you are giving your 100% effort like me, definitely you too can earn a very good income from home. So not only with income, I got my own recognition. I'm a director now. I have my own identity. I'm earning an income of above 50k per month, and moreover, being a mother, I'm spending my time peacefully with my kid. That is the most needed one for a mother, right? So spending only a 2 to 3 hours a day gives me such a good income. And I hope many of you know about a passive income and active income. Of course, many of you know about active income, the income which we used to get when we are working. Like I'm working for Apollo Hospitals. In the month of September, I will be getting an income in the month of November. I work and I will be getting paid. If I am resigning from the job, I will not be getting any income. But in case of a passive income, it is the one like you are going to do a certain work for a certain source for a certain period of time, and based on that work which you did on that certain period for that certain source, you will be getting an income till your life. We have a lot of examples like people who are working in government sectors. They will be working for 30 or 35 years of time, and then they will be taking a pension. People who are YouTube bloggers, people who are authors, they will be working on certain content for a certain period, and based on the number of viewers, based on the number of editions of books being made, they will be getting an income. So before going to the business related topic, I would like to introduce our mentor, Mrs. Leela Bhuminathan, a normal homemaker from Coimbatore, a BSc Computer Science graduate and an MBA dropout. She don't have any job or business experience at that time, like before 10 years, but she was desperately in need to prove her identity. She started her business with Oriflame as a brand partner, and presently she is earning above 4 lakhs per month. She had taken a lot of cash awards worth 10 lakh, above 10 lakh rupees, and she had made nearly 2000 plus women to earn their professional income from home. I am really proud to be one among her. So as I told, our proud brand partner is none other than Oriflame. Maybe you have heard of Oriflame before, or you may be fed up now on hearing the word Oriflame. No, Oriflame is not like that, because Oriflame changed my life. I worked for Apollo Hospitals for 5 years, and I have been in this business with Oriflame for 1.5 years, and I am earning a very good income which is nearly 5 times greater than what I got in my 5 years of experience. So this is what Oriflame did to me. I'm not selling here, I'm not chasing people, I'm doing a very professional way of marketing here. Oriflame is a Sweden-based company which is formed in 1967. It is having 25 years of experience in India. It is the largest direct selling company in Europe. Nearly 30 lakh consultants are doing business with Oriflame all over the world, and in and around 60 plus country people are doing business with Oriflame. And at the top of everything, Oriflame is manufacturing its products from the ingredients which are naturally occurring in Mother Earth. Many of you know that Oriflame is related only to cosmetic product. No, we have cosmetics also. We have color cosmetics also. We have skincare products. You know, being after after being housewife or mother, ladies particularly miss the part of taking care of their skin and health. Okay, we have skincare products. Whatever problems related to skin, we have products for that, and that too clinically proven. We have health related product. We have bathing product, body product, fragrances, accessories, and some of the essential products which we are using in our home daily. So when coming to your role, we have three different categories. You can choose yourself. If you want to be a customer, if you want product for yourself, you have pimple problem, you want to lose your weight, you can register as a brand partner in Oriflame and take the products whichever you need at a 20% discount. So this is your role being customer. Your benefit here is getting 20% discount on the MRP. And the second category being a seller, there are people who are really good at selling, and those people will be concentrating on selling, and they will take that 20% discount as their profit. And the third category, which me and most of my nearly 99% of my team people are doing, is being a business coach. In that business coach, we have to follow two things, only two things. It's already formulated. No need of you to do anything new. You have to follow only two things. Self purchase of products from Oriflame. Don't think that Abhita told that she will be telling an idea to earn an income from home, but now she is telling me to spend money. You know, right? Each and every one in our home, like each and every day, we are using certain products in our home daily, certain essential products like soap, shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, toothpaste, perfumes. Of course, we'll be using from some other brand, right? And we don't get any income for taking products from those brand. You can start your business with Oriflame as a brand partner by taking these essential products worth 500 rupees. We know you are new to this business and you will be feeling difficulty in investing money for your business and taking products for your essential needs. We don't call it as an investment, right? Of course, you will be taking these products from some other brand. Just redivert your purchase for this essential products from some other brand to Oriflame, and we will give you training. We will support you and guide you how to do your 100 business points order every month. We will train you on that. Okay. The second thing which you want to do is you are going to share the business opportunity to some other people. You are going to market the business here. And here also we know that you are new here, so we will train you on that also. And you have a good news here. You are not going to explain anything to them over phone or text. You are just going to invite people for webinars which we are conducting to explain the business procedure. And after attending the webinar, if they are having any doubts, you can just connect them with your leader. They will clear their doubts. Hope you understand the two things which you have to do being a business coach. And we will train you on each and everything. Don't worry on that. I told, right, you will be getting a lot of other benefits apart from income. One among them is taking cash awards, which ranges from 50,000 rupees to even 5 crores also. And I'm happy to tell you that I took my cash award in the month of November 2020 as a director. So we have a level called gold director. Of course, everyone in this world likes golds. Everyone, even a child or an old age people, ladies, and everyone likes gold, right? We have a level called gold director. You will be astonished on seeing the benefits of being a gold director. The income which is going to get credited in your bank account when you are becoming a gold director is nearly to be 2.25 lakh rupees. And you'll be getting an on-stage recognition in a stage like this, in a stage like heaven, in an international platform. You can take your family to those trips, and you can take any one car which you wish. Company will pay for that. Hope you will be excited Being a business, your income will be starting from 200 rupees to even crores also. We will give you the levels, we will give you the plans, and we will guide you and support you to reach those levels, so that by the month end you can reach your level and you can start getting your income. So this is a goal director lifestyle of Leela ma'am. These are two goal directors who are students, not even graduated. They are also goal directors earning about 1 lakh and taken cash award of 1 lakh. So this is the person who introduced me to this business. I want to tell you only one thing about her. I saw a lot of positiveness in her. Okay, within 3 months of she joining this business, she got an illness called facial paralysis. She couldn't able to move her hands or legs. She was hospitalized for nearly 2 weeks of time. But she never thought of quitting. And that never quitting attitude made her to earn nearly 75,000 plus month. Now, she had taken cash awards of 50,000 and 75,000 as a director and a senior director, and presented a card to her husband from her own income. So these are some of the hero products. We will tell you, I told right, we will be telling you how easily you can do your 100 business point. We will train you on that also. And about the trainings which you are going to get, we know that you are new to this business, so we will teach you on the levels, about the income structure, about how to contact a person, how to invite a person for a webinar, how to do a follow-up, everything in a very professional way. So this is a group called Supremacy Network in FB. It's a group of ladies who are doing this business. You can see a lot of success stories, achievement, experiences in that group. So I will show you 1 minute. Consisting of 33k members. You can see a lot of success stories. I'll just scroll it down. Everything. And finally, I want to tell you, I want to show you my income proof which I got from Oriflame. You can say this is what you can see, the date and time. You can just see the date and time. If you want to get registered, if you want to start your business, kindly revert me back without fail and without delay. If we are delaying our thoughts, if we are delaying our decision, definitely it will not happen further. Thank you so much.